Hey there, pet parents! Setting up your pet tent is a breeze with these quick steps. Ready for setup? Grab those tent poles and assemble them, following the numbers 1 through 4. Super easy! Lay the tent flat on the ground, instant comfort for your pet. Slide each pole through the sleeves. And smoothly insert one end into the nearby hole. Easy peasy, right? We're cruising through this. Before lifting, make sure all poles are securely at the bottom, snug, and well connected to prevent any potential damage. Now, the magic moment. Arch them up, and insert the other ends into the holes. Ta-da! Your pet's stylish retreat is good to go.